Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Bad Bunny Trilogy Set is probably one of the most sought-after collections for any true fan, offering a comprehensive journey through the artist's iconic eras and musical evolution, making it an indispensable item for collectors and music enthusiasts alike who want to own a piece of reggaeton history and celebrate the global phenomenon that is Bad Bunny. Number 5. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Wild Lion 31112 Toy Building Kit. Unleash your creativity with this amazing 3-in-1 building set. You can build a fierce lion, a swift ostrich, or a tough warthog. Take your adventures to the savannah. This set also includes a vulture figure to add even more excitement to your play. These animal toys are ready for action. Pose the lion's legs, tail, head, and jaw, or move the ostrich's neck and legs. With 224 pieces, this set offers a fun building challenge for kids aged 7 and up. It's the perfect reward for imaginative minds. The mighty lion stands over 4 inches tall, making it the perfect size for adventures at home or on the go. What we like. This set offers incredible value with 3 distinct animal builds in one box. If you enjoy imaginative play and creating different savannah scenes, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for kids who love building and then playing with their creations. What people say. The vinyls sound amazing, clear and crisp. The packaging is beautiful and a great collector's item. Includes all 3 albums with great artwork. Number 4. Fazbear Frights 4-book box set. Are you ready to face your deepest fears? This collection plunges you into the terrifying world of Fazbear Frights. Experience the complete saga with this 4-book box set. It's everything you need for a sleepless night. Straight from the universe of Five Nights at Freddy's, these stories will haunt your dreams. Get ready for spine-chilling adventures. Each book in this set is packed with suspense and terror. Can you handle the frights that await within these pages? This is the ultimate collection for any fan. Immerse yourself in the chilling narratives that have captivated readers worldwide. Prepare yourself for a journey into the unknown. This box set delivers non-stop thrills and scares you won't soon forget. What we like. Dive into the thrilling world of Five Nights at Freddy's with this complete collection. If you're a fan of suspenseful stories and the popular game franchise, this box set is a must-have. It's perfect for young readers who crave a good scare. What people say. The vinyls sound amazing, clear and crisp. The packaging is beautiful and sturdy, a great collector's item. Includes all 3 albums with unique artwork for each. Number 3. X100 Pre. Introducing the X100 PRE. Experience unparalleled audio quality that redefines your listening experience. Immerse yourself in sound like never before. With its advanced technology, it delivers crystal-clear highs and deep, resonant lows. Elevate your music, podcasts, and calls to a new level of clarity. Its sleek and ergonomic design ensures comfort for extended wear. Perfect for your daily commute, workouts, or simply relaxing at home. Enjoy effortless pairing with your devices via the latest Bluetooth technology. Stay connected without interruption, wherever you go. Power through your day with its impressive battery life. Spend less time charging and more time enjoying your favorite audio content. Discover the difference that true audio fidelity makes. The X100 PRE is more than just a device, it's an experience. What we like. Experience the groundbreaking sound of this essential album. If you're a dedicated fan of Bad Bunny or a lover of modern Latin music, this is a definitive addition to your collection. It's perfect for anyone who wants to immerse themselves in his most celebrated work. What people say. It's worth every penny and a great collector's item. Plus the color pressing is super nice and vibrant. Plays beautifully. There is no skips at all and even the actual vinyls are so cool. I was expecting just a black vinyl. This album is simply amazing. If you enjoy Bad Bunny's music, this album is definitely something you should consider purchasing. Number 2. El Ultimo Tour del Mundo. Get ready for the ultimate global experience. This is the final leg of an unforgettable journey. Prepare to be amazed. Witness a spectacle that spans continents. It's a celebration of culture and connection like never before. Don't miss out on this historic event. We're bringing the world to you. Experience diverse landscapes and vibrant traditions. Your adventure begins now. Embark on a voyage that will redefine your perspective. Every moment is crafted for maximum impact. This is more than just a tour, it's a transformation. This is the culmination of an epic adventure. Join us for the closing chapter of an extraordinary story. Be a part of history. What we like. Embark on a musical journey with this critically acclaimed release. If you appreciate a wide range of sounds and want to witness an artist's growth, this album delivers. It's ideal for listeners looking for a comprehensive Bad Bunny experience. What people say. El producto lego en excelente estado, esto era un aspecto que me preocupa de comprar este tipo de producto por internet. Came in fast and no shipment damage. Looks exactly how it was presented as it was advertised. Lego practicamente sin ningún resguardo o detalle, suena excelente en el tornamesa, la calidad de audio es impresionante, sonará mucho mejor con un buen equipo de sonido. Esta edición es Rimas Entertainment, mismo sello discográfico que sacó la edición triple hace un buen tiempo. Un producto original, de calidad y quizá único. Number 1. WZMPA Te Deseo Tote Makeup Bag. Crafted from high-quality, sturdy cotton canvas, this bag offers excellent wear resistance and a waterproof design. Its fine workmanship ensures durability for everyday use. Measuring 23 cm by 17 cm, it's the ideal size to fit into most handbags. Yet, it's spacious enough to hold all your essentials like headphones, phone, sunglasses, and keys. Featuring exquisite 3D printing, the design is fused to the material, ensuring it won't fade or crack over time. It makes for a perfect gift for any music fan or loved one. The interior is lined with a black waterproof material, and a durable metallic zipper keeps your belongings secure. While machine washing isn't recommended, gentle hand washing or a sponge wipe is best. Your new bag will arrive beautifully presented in a frosting bag. We are dedicated to your satisfaction and aim to provide the best support and motivation. What we like. Carry your essentials in style with this uniquely designed makeup bag. If you're looking for a practical yet fashionable accessory inspired by Latin music, this is it. It's perfect for fans who want to showcase their passion in everyday life. What people say. The Bad Bunny Trilogy Set includes 3 distinct albums, offering a comprehensive collection for fans. Each album in the set showcases Bad Bunny's evolution as an artist, featuring a variety of his hit songs and unique musical styles. The physical packaging of the trilogy set is well designed, making it a great collector's item for enthusiasts of Bad Bunny's music. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.